Hi everyone, and welcome back again. So, just like to apologise for the recent absence and lack of videos recently, but we'll go into the reason for that in a bit. But today, I'm going to be potting on some of the pepper plants, and I'm thinking about bringing these from in the house out into the polytunnel now, staying warm enough at night times, especially in here, and with the lights being off during the night in the garage, it still gets just as cold in there. So I'm going to repot these today. We'll be going into, so I'm going to put them on into these, I think they're 3 litre pots, and I'm just going to be using some multi-purpose compost with a few bits added into it, but not too much. So we'll have a look at some of these peppers now. This one is POLYTUNNEL red, Hungarian hot wax. Leaves are starting to yellow out, sign that they need feed or potting on. And we've got the Hamilic small sweets. They're all from same seed from last year, and probably got the same again still in the shed, but we'll keep them in there just in case something happens with these. But I do think that they are going to be fine. So got a little bit of perlite left in here, so I'm just going to add that in just to help with drainage. And I'm also just going to add some fish blood and bone just to give them a little bit of a boost. But that's all I'm going to add to this. Just give that a good mix. Perlite will just help with a bit of drainage and bulks out the mix a bit. Stops it all sticking together. And that is all I'm going to add to that. Right then, so all I'm going to do is a couple of handfuls into the pot. I'm also going to give the roots a quick dusting of mycorrhizal fungi. Again, I use the Q4 root more. Really good stuff. When I potted these on, I didn't have any, so I'm expecting the roots not to be so great on these, plus I can't see them coming out the bottom. So this will do them the world of good. The root growth on them isn't great, but a good dusting of this should really get them going. Just filling around the edges. And that is all that I'll do to them. Give them a good water. and that'll be it for them. So I'm going to do this whole tray and keep them in here. Hopefully this should be okay. So whilst I'm doing this, I'm just going to have a quick chat about why I haven't posted any videos over the last week. And that's because I've been in hospital. I actually punctured a lung whilst I was at work. So it looks like I'm going to be off work for a bit and taking it easy. So I don't think there'll be much work getting done on the other polytunnel for a while, or anything heavy lifting or anything like that going on. And to be honest, with the work that I do as a plasterer, it's very physical, very hard going, and working on my own, it was quite a scary experience. So I don't know whether or not I really want to go back to doing it. There's plenty of other things that I'd rather be doing, and I'm really considering getting out of the building game and concentrating more on gardening, making content, and things like that. So I don't know. Just let me know in the comments what do you reckon I should do. If I should carry on as I was, or put more time and effort into gardening and making content for you guys. It's something that I really enjoy doing. I can go at my own pace. Don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get the rest of these done and we'll come back, check in on them after. But like I say, these are going to stay out here in the polytunnel, as I think it's warm enough at night time now, and they should be okay. And if you haven't already, guys, please do consider subscribing. It's absolutely free, just helps out the channel, and we're only a few hundred views away from being able to monetize the channel now. If we could do that over the next few weeks, that'd be absolutely amazing. Right then, so that is one lot of peppers cooked done. See, a couple of them starting to get signs of flowers, but I'll probably be putting these on again in 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll just go into slightly larger pots again, and then into their final pots once I decide what's going where. So all that's left to do now, give these good watering in. They should be okay for a couple of weeks now. And if the weather does promise to get really cold, I'll just take them in the house overnight and bring them back out in the day. Right then guys, so that is going to be it for this one today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and drop me a comment below. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.